Chai tea, a spiced tea blend originating from India, has become a global favorite, cherished for its robust flavors and aromatic spices. The word chai simply means tea in Hindi, but what distinguishes chai tea from other teas is its unique blend of spices, typically including cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, cloves, and black pepper, brewed with black tea leaves and often combined with milk and sweetener. Here's a look at the best 5 chai teas that have captivated tea lovers worldwide. Number 5. TAZO tea bags, iced or hot, passion herbal tea, 20 tea bags, pack of 6. About this item, TAZO passion herbal tea bags are caffeine-free and mix refreshing herbal tea with a tropical blend so you can enjoy a barista-quality hot tea or iced tea any time of the morning, afternoon, or night. TAZO passion herbal tea bags allows you to plunge into a paradise of lush hibiscus, orange peel, rose hips, and other natural flavors for a soothing taste. TAZO passion herbal tea offers 20 tea bags per pack, and you will receive a pack of 6 for a total of 120 tea bags of delicious herbal tea you can enjoy throughout the day or night. TAZO Passion is a naturally caffeine-free herbal tea with a soothing flavor that is non-GMO and kosher certified for a refreshing herbal tea drink throughout the day or night. To a faraway place of indulgence. Let Café Escape's Chai Latte K-Cup soothe your senses and transport you to distant lands. Each K-Cup is airtight and locks out oxygen, light, moisture and humidity while locking in freshness and flavor. Even better, this cup is easy to use, hassle-free and works in all Keurig brewers and Keurig-compatible devices. Whether you need an afternoon pick-me-up or a quick sweet treat, a delicious cup of Café Escape's Chai Latte is the perfect companion. Convenient 24-count case pack. K-Cups are compatible with all Keurig brewers, and are also compatible with the new Keurig 2.0. Number 4. Café Escape's Chai Latte Keurig Single-Serve K-Cup Pods, 24 count. About this item, Café Escape's Chai Latte K-Cup for Keurig brewers. From the first taste, you'll know this is no ordinary tea. What is chai? In many countries, the word simply means tea. Café Escapes has come to know it as black tea blended with cinnamon and exotic spices like cardamom and clove. Mingle that with a splash of honey and milky sweetness, and this will be sure to turn your daily time out into a relaxing escape. Number 3. Oregon Chai Original Dry Chai Latte Mix, 3 pound, pack of 1. About this item, bulk powdered chai mix. Chai cravings don't stand a chance against this 3 pounds box of powdered chai tea latte mix. Makes mug A for mug of warming, spiced black tea that you can mix up in an instant. Just add water. Delicious rejuvenating hot or iced, convenient, customizable chai latte. Just add water and voila! A delicious chai latte. Substitute water for milk or dairy substitute, mix in an extra scoop or 2, maybe add some honey or sweetener. Satisfy your chai latte cravings however you see fit. Easy to use, Oregon Chai Matcha Latte Concentrate makes it easy to create the perfect matcha latte. Our matcha latte concentrate works well for hot and cold applications so you can create a hot matcha latte or iced matcha latte. A chai for any occasion. We started out with original chai flavor, but we didn't stop there, neither should you. Try all our chai concentrates powdered mixes: original, salted caramel, slightly sweet, sugar-free, caffeine-free, vanilla, spiced, a chai beyond comparison. We've been serving delicious Oregon chai for decades. Inspired by the Oregon outdoors, it became an invitation to sit in stillness and savor what's around. Number 2. Big Train Spiced Chai Tea Latte Beverage Mix, 3.5 pound, pack of 1. About this item, Big Train Spiced Chai. Our spiced chai tea mix is made with a blend of milk, honey, black tea, and spices for a sweet, creamy chai latte that you can mix in an instant. Drink hot and steamy or pour over ice for the best chai latte. Wherever beverages are served, Big Train Spiced Chai Mix is ideal for home kitchens, office kitchens, cafes, coffee shops, restaurants. Our spiced chai mix makes it easy to enjoy chai tea lattes wherever you are. Just add water, mix and serve, blend, pour, serve. Big Train mixes make it easy to serve up delicious drinks. From our variety of chai lattes to our blended creme and coffee fraps, Big Train provides quick-to-prepare beverage solutions for coffee shops, restaurants, and at home. Try every flavor. Our entire line is crave-worthy. Seasonal delights like spiced or vanilla chai tea lattes, classic blended iced coffee, kid-friendly, and more. Big Train mixes come in all kinds of on-trend flavors to satisfy any kind of appetite. Big Train quality. Better beverages are a blend away. For over 30 years, Big Train has made it easy to provide high-quality beverages made with people and the planet in mind. We're committed to consistency and sustainability in each mix we create. Number 1. Oregon Chai Original Chai Concentrate, 32 fluid ounce, pack of 6. About this item, Oregon Chai Original Chai Concentrate. Our sweet and mildly spiced original chai tea concentrate contains clove, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger to give you the chai tea flavor you love. As earthy spices go, this combination is really quite heavenly. Chai your way, just add milk and voila! A delicious Oregon chai tea latte. Drink it hot and steamy or enjoy cold over ice. Mix in extra concentrate, add some honey, sweetener, or vanilla. Satisfy your chai tea latte cravings however you see fit. Instant chai, at home or at cafes. Oregon Chai makes delicious chai tea lattes simple to make and even easier to enjoy. Whether powdered or from concentrate, every package and every box of Oregon Chai delivers the finest chai flavor straight to you. Sustainably sourced ingredients. We keep people and the planet in mind by sourcing ingredients from organic farms that foster recyclable resources and ecological balance. Most of our concentrates are certified USDA Organic Non-GMO Project verified. Nothing beats the original. For over 25 years, Oregon chai tea has been crafted with authentic clove, cardamom, cinnamon, ginger, and black tea for the warm, spiced chai flavor customers know and love.